I'm 26. I haven't qualified CMA yet. I haven't started even working yet. Whereas people my age are drawing massive salaries, uh, enjoying their late 20s, they are getting married, they are buying properties. But what am I doing? I'm only studying. This June, I gave my third attempt of CMA Final Group 3, and it didn't go as per my expectation. And I was somewhat broken, and some people advised me to quit CMA. And because it's causing so much of delay, so they said कि अरे CMA एक ही चीज़ थोड़ी है, you can explore other things as well. So at that time, my inner self shouted at me, have you forgotten whose daughter are you? And that time I thought maybe I should make this video. uh, I was planning to make this video since my last December attempt, but somehow I was not getting any reason to make this. And yesterday I received this particular message from a student, and I thought, what can be a better time to shoot this video where I'll be telling you what keeps me going, right? I know there are a lot of students who look up to me, and there are a lot of students who criticize me also. But my job is to provide good content to those students who look up to me, right? So I'll be telling you the reason behind what keeps me going, right? So, guys, meet my ideal, my inspiration, my father. He's a professor at NIT Rourkela who has guided and produced 17 PhDs, who has published more than 700 international research papers, who has two patents in his name, and for the last 5 years, he has been featured in the Stanford University list of world's top 2% scientists, right? So it sounds very remarkable, right? But here comes the unsaid struggle, या फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कि आज जो हम देख रहे हैं उसके पीछे क्या क्या हुआ है. आई थिंक that is something a lot of people need to know. His Today he has produced more than 17 PhDs, but his own PhD took 11 years to complete, right? Today he has published more than 700 research papers, but his first research paper was rejected 70 times. 70, 70 बार रिजेक्ट हुआ था. So let's listen to his journey, उन्हीं की जुबानी. So that's my father, Professor Alok Satpathy. So in this video, he will be telling you how he has also faced delay in his career, and by the end of this video you'll get to know what really keeps me going. So keep watching till the end. Okay, so as I was telling you earlier, that yesterday I received a message from a student where she was saying that what keeps me going, like my CMA has taken more than 5 years, right? And I am 26 already, and most of the students become CMA at 21, 22, like that. So even after at this point of time, my group 3 exam has not yet not gone so well that I'll be confident enough. So at this point of time, what keeps me going? So what I thought in my head was that your PhD took 11 years, right? You changed four supervisors and all those things. So I wanted you to address my audience and tell them your journey, so that they will be motivated. And also, yes, my audience, they are not from research background, so do let them know
कोई बात
कि
नहीं।
हाँ, पीएचडी क्या होता है, कितना टाइम लगता है जनरली.
या
या.
वो सब मैं बता दूंगा।
हम्म.
ऐसा है कि मैं समझ गया तुम व्हाट यू एग्जैक्टली वांट मी टू टेल, मैं
या.
समझ गया। एज यू राइटली पॉइंटेड आउट, मेरा पीएचडी जर्नी वाज रियली पेनफुल। मैंने 11 साल उसमें दिया मेरे लाइफ का। 11 साल, 11 years I spent.
You started in the year?
I started in 95.
Okay.
I joined teaching professor at NIT Rourkela in 93. 95 में मैं शुरू किया, and as you have rightly pointed out, I changed 4 guides. The first guide उससे साथ बना नहीं. Second guide left NIT and went to IIT. The third guide also, like, there was some argument, and one day even he told me कि तुम्हारा 7 जनरल में PhD नहीं होगा, ऐसा बोला। फिर उसके बाद I found one fourth guide and I continued with that professor. PhD में क्या होता है कि the first thing you need is a guide. एक गाइड चाहिए जो कि who will properly supervise you on what to do, on what are the steps that you have to follow. It is a research activity जिसका कोई सिलेबस नहीं होता है, कोई मतलब कुछ करिकुलम नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है. You have to invent a new thing, find out new research findings and get them published in an international forum, international publication. Otherwise the scientific community will not know about it. तो मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, I started with a new material which is industrial waste, and then I carried out all my experiments. But मेरे कॉलेज में कुछ फैसिलिटीज नहीं था, तो इसलिए मुझे एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, मुझे 22 बार मुंबई जाना पड़ा. भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर में लेजर एंड प्लाज्मा टेक्नोलॉजी डिवीजन में मेरा सारा काम किया. काम मतलब मेरा सारा एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किया. एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने के बाद क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू डॉक्यूमेंट द रिजल्ट्स and interpret all the results and explore whether these results are of any use or not to the scientific community or to the societal needs. फिर हम उसको डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करते हैं और उसको डिफरेंट जर्नल्स में, मतलब साइंटिफिक जर्नल्स में उसको पब्लिश किया जाता है. एंड यू विल नॉट बिलीव, फॉर एन एकेडमिशियन एक्चुअली पब्लिकेशन मीन्स इट इज एन एसेट. ये जैसे हम लोग का बैंक बैलेंस होता है ना, हम लोग प्रोफेसर्स लोगों का, साइंटिस्ट लोगों का, ये जो पब्लिकेशन, रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन हमारा एसेट होता है. और पब्लिकेशन मतलब इट इज नॉट लाइक, इट शुड नॉट बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय वन और टू पर्सन्स अराउंड यू. It should be internationally reviewed by great scientists, and once they approve it, then only it will be published in a journal and it becomes a scientific document. तो मेरा जो पेपर मतलब मेरा जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन था, वो मैंने कम्युनिकेट किया, मतलब मैं सेंड किया टू डिफरेंट जर्नल्स एंड आई गॉट 70 रिजेक्शंस. मतलब इतना रिजेक्शंस के बाद कोई रिसर्चर होता है, इंडिया में बहुत ऐसा केसेस होता है, कोई सुइसाइड भी कर देता है, एक भी पेपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता है. बट आई वेंट ऑन कम्युनिकेटिंग, आई वेंट ऑन सेंडिंग पेपर्स बाय एनरिचिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट, द आर्टिकल्स एंड ऑल दैट. और फाइनली मेरा 2007 में जाके मेरा एक फर्स्ट पेपर पब्लिश हुआ एक अमेरिकन जर्नल में. और 2007 से लेकर आज तक आई हैव around 700 research publications which are published in different international journals of high repute and also in conference proceedings. मैंने दुनिया भर में 28 देशों में घुमा, डिफरेंट कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में पेपर प्रेजेंट किया, और आई गॉट अप्रिशिएशन. इन द यूएस आई गॉट द बेस्ट ओरल प्रेजेंटेशन अवार्ड. इन सिंगापुर आई गॉट द बेस्ट ओवरसीज पार्टिसिपेंट अवार्ड. ये सब मिलता रहा. ये दीज आर द फीदर्स इन माई कैप, यू कैन से. और क्या बताऊं मैं, मतलब ये, बट ये जर्नी जितना अच्छा सुनाई देता है उतना नहीं है. दिस जर्नी वॉज वेरी पेनफुल and because sometimes you don't get result, sometimes when you get result it is not approved by your guide, sometimes it is approved by guide and is not published, is not accepted by a journal. तो उसमें it's a roller coaster journey actually.
Also,
And
along with that, tell them about our family situation at
yeah,
that time.
family situation तो ना बोलूँ तो अच्छा है. family situation कैसा था? My family, my sister was a patient, my mother was a patient, my father was a heart patient since a long time. I had a small kid, and with the limited earning, we have to run the family of 6 members with all the medical expenses and all that. मतलब उसके साथ फिर बहुत लोगों को झेलना पड़ता है. द टेक्नीशियन, द सुपरवाइजर, द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स. at the head of the institute at that time was not very cooperative with me, and things went on, and finally by God's grace I got in. From 2010 to 2014, in 4 years I saw 3 deaths. I lost my father, I lost my elder sister, I lost my mother. तो ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन था. आई हैड अ टफ टाइम, बट देन एज आई एंजॉय टीचिंग, मैं क्लास में जाता था, पढ़ाता था और सब कुछ भूल जाता था. रिसर्च में मन को लगाता था, रिसर्च में काम करता था, बच्चों के साथ बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट खुद ही करता था. और इट हैज़ बीन माई लाइक इनहेरेंट नेचर दैट आई लव माई स्टूडेंट्स. तो उनका साथ, उनका रिसर्च, वो सब में लग के मैं अपना टाइम पास किया. एंड यू डिडंट टेल वन मोर थिंग अबाउट मी, दैट आई लव ट्रैवलिंग. तो इसी बहाने बहुत ट्रैवलिंग का मौका मिला, बहुत सारा कंट्रीज में विजिट किया. आई एंजॉयड एवरी बीट ऑफ माई फॉरेन ट्रिप्स एंड ट्रिप्स इनसाइड इंडिया. अच्छा ही रहा सब कुछ.
Also, tell them about the Stanford University.
Yeah, I got some like I mean, by God's grace, I attribute everything to God's grace only. That in 2018, I got the Best Teacher Award at NIT Rourkela. The students voted, and they voted me as the best teacher out of around 400 teachers. But then I earned a lot of good wishes from my students. At the same time, I also created a lot of enemies among my colleagues because of this award. So it was a mixed bag. Then 2020, I was listed as the world's top 2% most influential scientists list released by the Stanford University. It was a great achievement, milestone for me. अ, अच्छा लगा, फिर अच्छा भी नहीं लगा क्योंकि मेरे पिता माता नहीं थे ये थिंग्स को शेयर करने के लिए. आई कुड नॉट शेयर विथ एनीबडी बिकॉज दे वर नो मोर. एंड देन 20 में मिला, 21 में मिला, 22 में, 23 में, लगातार 4 consecutive years आई वॉज लिस्टेड एज द टॉप 2% साइंटिस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड एज सर्वेड बाय स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी यूएसए. और इसके बाद भी बहुत कुछ वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग और नेशनल रैंकिंग, एशियन रैंकिंग, ये सब मिला. एंड अभी मेरे पास 2 पेटेंट्स हैं, 700, अराउंड 700 रिसर्च पेपर्स. एज आई टोल्ड यू, रिसर्च पेपर्स आर आवर एसेट्स. So I have to tell, I have 700 research papers.
Also, that your own PhD took 11 years, but you have
Yeah,
published
yeah,
17.
yeah. That is what I must say, that although my own PhD took 11 years of difficult time, I promised the day I got my PhD, I promised that whoever I will guide as a PhD supervisor, I will not torture them. I will make them happy. I'll keep them in good humor so that they will enjoy their PhD days, they will enjoy their research. Research will not be stressful for them. I took a lot of care. Even today, I take a lot of care. And my students, they always tell that, sir, the PhD we have done with you, those are the golden years of our life. So that gives me a lot of satisfaction and fulfillment. I have produced so far 17 PhD till now. 3 are working with me. एंड ठीक है. शायद आप लोग अगर साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी से नहीं है, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, बट माई एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज पॉलीमर कंपोजिट्स, ट्राइबोलॉजी एंड सेरामिक कोटिंग्स. ये मटेरियल साइंस के इसमें आता है. और ठीक है, चलता है सब कुछ. लाइफ इज सो. और ये तो मैं पीएचडी का जर्नी बताया. पीएचडी से पहले भी मेरा जो +2 और बीटेक डेज ये बहुत टफ रहा. बोलना नहीं चाहता, मैं नॉर्मली नहीं बोलता हूँ. ड्यूरिंग माई +2 माई फादर अंडरवेंट ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी. दैट टाइम एंजियोप्लास्टी वॉज नॉट देयर. ही हैड हार्ट प्रॉब्लम. ही वॉज ए कार्डियक पेशेंट. एंड हम लोग उसमें इतना खर्चा हुआ कि हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट बैंकक्रप्ट हो गए. और ऐसे हालत में मैं +2 का एग्ज़ाम दिया. समहाउ आई कुड मैनेज विथ ए फर्स्ट डिवीज़न. उसके बाद मैं 1 साल तैयारी किया बीटेक का, एंड आई गॉट थ्रू जेई एंड गॉट एडमिटेड टू यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग बुर्ला. उसको आजकल VSSUT बोलते हैं. और वहाँ ज्वाइन किया. आई स्टेड इन माई अंकल्स हाउस वेयर लाइक आई वॉज नॉट ट्रीटेड वेल. मुझे घर का काम भी करना पड़ता था, साइकिल लेके कॉलेज भी जाना पड़ता था. एंड somehow in 4 years I completed my BTech, then went for masters in thermal sciences at BIT Mesra. और उसके बाद फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट थोड़े बहुत दिन मैं लोकली ट्यूशन भी किया, होम ट्यूशन भी किया.
+2 students.
+2 स्टूडेंट्स को, डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट्स को ट्यूशन भी किया. But then I didn't apply for any industries because I was not interested to become an engineer. I became an engineering graduate, engineering postgraduate, but I never considered myself as an engineer. I am a teacher. A teacher is always a teacher. Once a teacher, always a teacher. So I thought that I'll be doing a teaching job anyhow, whether it is home tuition or whether it is a university professorship. So again, by God's grace, I got into REC Rourkela, which later became NIT Rourkela. So this has been my journey. I have earned many good friends among my students. My PhD students are like my family members. Because of my popularity and because of my receiving the Best Teacher Award, I earned so many enemies among my colleagues. People who were so nice to me suddenly overnight became very hostile. But again, I dedicated everything to God. I thought this is the way of life. I have to accept it. I'm very happy with my student right now. And what more? This is all about me. And so, what I want to
Convey.
convey to the community, the student community, is that, see, remember today I have 700 papers, but the first paper got rejected 70 times, 70 times. So rejections are part of life, and rejections should not hinder you from your goal. Time will come, you may get the things sooner or later, but then keep trying. Once you leave, because you are not losing if you are defeated, you are losing if you are quitting the path. Never quit, never quit.